Way to let go of hurt when you argue with somebody and they say what could be called or considered like mean or unfriendly or venomous things when that we end up feeling hurt by. The way to let go and allow ourselves to feel good again and to let that wash off our back is to realize people only say mean or unfriendly or very unkind things, or even like attacking or critical or putting down, blaming type of things, when they themselves are very upset and hurting. And often, basically speaking, they, or we can be in their position, of course, we do not understand or have learned in school or through example of our society and people around us how to actually express our feelings and needs and our wishes. So the result is a chaotic type of disharmonious expression of our feelings, wishes and needs, and our hurt or pain. A chaotic and disharmonious expression. So it comes out as a criticizing, an attack, a put down, a blame, a belittlement, or a comparison that they were way better than you, etc, etc, etc. So once we understand this is because someone's in great hurt and pain and disharmony themselves, that is when we can see through and brush aside and almost let go of everything they've said, at least in the chaotic way, and just simply allow ourselves to not say, you said this, I feel so bad, and I feel so terrible because you said all these mean things to me. We can let go of being the victim, and we can tune into our hearts, and we can feel good again very rapidly if you apply this. And if we just feel into the fact that they're so hurt and in pain and in disharmony and chaotic, and then we can open our hearts and feel love, care and compassion towards them, and we can make up so easy. We can change our energy and align to our higher self or heart or whatever expression you wish to call it, and we can make peace, and by feeling peace, and make up and make friends and make love again, etc. That type of words and feelings. The first thing is we find our own personal freedom instead of being the victim and blaming our feelings on what they said. So we take responsibility and accountability, and we become empowered for how we feel, instead of saying it's all your fault. I'm at the mercy of what you said. I'm a victim of what you said. And we can then make and create the real loving type of sweet relationship that we really, really want, or relation. It could be with anybody, but usually this happens in romantic sexual relationships, typically, but it happens with, like, close family members or close people in our lives too, where we say mean things at certain times, but it's just a chaotic expression of hurt, pain, wishes or needs, or our own emotions. So it's very beautiful to realize this lesson, let go really quickly of our own hurt and pain, and let go of a wish to hurt them back, and we can make up and soothe them back into peace, love and harmony and alignment, help them to relax their mind, relax their storytelling, look us in the eye, read our facial expression, like what do you see when you look at me, like look at me, like what does my face tell you? And usually it'll paint a picture, if they do look at you, of someone who has compassion and care and sincerity. And if we look at their face and their eyes when they're in this state, we will see sadness and hurt and pain. And that itself, when you make eye contact, will help us to feel love and compassion and care again, connect in a sweet, tender, loving way. And that means everything. It changes the entire world. Everything we say, do, and how we say and do from this second is special and imbued with a special quality and energy of healing and reconnection between the people, and nurturing and helping to heal, as I said. So I hope this video helped you. I have so much more videos on this topic, so have a look below. I may leave a playlist on conscious relationships somewhere around here, and do check out my other videos. And if you like this video, please do like it. I appreciate your support, and share the video if you think of any people you may know, friends or family or social media, who you think may benefit from this video. And if you haven't already, do subscribe for future videos on holistic health of body, mind, spirit, emotions, relationships, conscious living, physical health, mental and emotional health and awareness, and just being the empowered person who can create and manifest the life that you really truly want, of your dreams, and feel and know that you can do it, and that you're divinely guided and you can create the life of your dreams. So yeah, I hope this video helps. I also have videos on herbs, raw food, cleansing our body, nourishing our body, exercise, living a natural, balanced, healthy life of harmony and balance. Yeah, so thanks again for your time. I hope you have a beautiful day, and do befriend me on Facebook or social media, and I'll be happy to connect. Okay, take care, have a lovely day. Thanks again. Stay fit, healthy, loving, happy and strong, and get out there in nature. So, see you.